Hey, what is going on? Brandon here, the printer guy, with a video showing you how to replace the maintenance box on the Epson EcoTank 2700. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Also, I'm going to be sharing with you a product link for a new maintenance box that you can purchase on Amazon. It's going to be less expensive than your OEM, and it's going to work just the same. So what we're going to need to do here is remove this Phillips head screw from the back left corner of the printer. That's where the panel is. And then you have unobstructed access to the printer maintenance box. But you're going to have to remove another screw. It's going to be right on the bottom there. This is very simple, a very easy process to go through. Once you remove two screws, you're going to have total access to the maintenance box. You can simply pull it out, and we'll do that in just a second. And once you have that pulled out, you can then replace it with your new one. So we're pulling out the old maintenance box. This is going to be filled with ink. It's going to have a bunch of gunk all around it. If you want to clean the area where the ink flows into, then you can do that, with some isopropyl alcohol and paper towel. But then you're going to want to replace it with a brand new maintenance box. And there's going to be a link for this specific maintenance box that I'm showing here on screen. You're actually going to get two maintenance boxes, and the TO4D1 is compatible with the Epson EcoTank 2700. It may not say it on the product detail page, but it is compatible with the 2760. So the 2700 models are compatible with this maintenance box. Now on your home screen, you may have had an indication that you needed to change out the maintenance box. Once you change it out, you will then be able to go through a prompt saying that you replaced the maintenance box and everything is reset. If you didn't, you're going to want to Google how to reset the code, how to reset the counter for the maintenance box within your printer. And you're going to have to do that. Of course, with this printer, you don't have a screen. So you have to do that through your PC or through the Epson app on your smartphone. Those are the two ways to get access to that information. You probably would have gotten some kind of prompt on your PC or smartphone saying that you needed to change out the maintenance box, and then you can replace it, go through the prompts, and you should be good to go. So I hope this information was helpful. Again, if it was helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. And remember the product link for the maintenance box that I mentioned in this video. That's really all I have for today. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.